All right, sorry about technical difficulty. This is the gizzard. What we did was we cut the gizzard open and it showed what the pigeon ate for the day. And we also pulled out, I would think this is the liver. Here's some intestines right here. This is a great schooling project with your kids. It's the intestines. I think this is the lungs. And this little baby is the heart. Ooh, you can even see that, still see the valve. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. All right, let's get back. So we've opened up the back, and now we're going to go ahead and make a slit, kind of put it on his belly, and make a slit at the neck, like that. That's okay, pardon my kids. They're having a good time outside, it's beautiful. And here's the neck bone right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that baby off. We don't really need that. Let's see if I can do it this way. There we go. So we cut the neck bone off. And we're going to cut this little excess piece of fat or skin. Okay. And we're going to open this up. And there we go. Look guys, this is from the neck. The bird still had food
when we got
in his throat.
Wow, that's cool.
So this is still seed that it ate from earlier. All right, here we go. And that is how, for the most part, we're going to go ahead and take it into the kitchen and rinse it off real good. But for the most part, this is how you want to go ahead and gut a pigeon. Right here, from beginning to end, step by step. Thanks a lot.